Meet the Brava, an all-in-one cooking device that has taken my kitchen by storm. What's up everyone? Today I have cooked up an awesome review for you. First we had the toaster, then the microwave, and now we've got this thing, the Brava. It can air fry, sear, dehydrate, toast, reheat, and bake twice as fast without preheat. What makes it unique is its ability to cook multiple food types at the same time, so you can cook an entire meal of veggies and meat evenly, right next to one another. It achieves this using 6 UV lights that cycle on and off to cook each food type to perfection. Recipes crafted by Brava chefs are designed for you to simply lay out the ingredients, stick it in, and voila, you have a nicely cooked meal. Kinda feels like living in the Jetsons.
Thanks, Mom.
Brava sent this over a month ago and I've been using it every single day since, and let me tell you, this thing works incredibly well. A lot of you may know I was recently diagnosed with diabetes and I've kind of had to reorganize the way I eat. And this has made it really easy to find recipes that are much more healthy, and it's taken the thinking out of cooking. It's literally the easy bake oven for adults. The one I wanted as a kid, but I couldn't get because of gender norms. Why were they only marketed to girls?
Today, I'm going to show off all the Brava features, the accessories and how I'm using them, cook some of my favorite recipes,
and if you guys stay to the very end, I'll let you know how you can win one of these in our Brava giveaway. Before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and if you guys wind up purchasing one of these, it really helps me out if you use that link down in the description. All right, for this video, you can call me Brava Chef Justin. Let's get cooking.
Brava is about 11 inches high, 16 inches wide, and 17 inches deep. It's got 2 levels for trays, a camera for viewing your cooks, and a touchscreen where you can access recipes, controls, and settings. Included with Brava is a temp sensor probe that connects your meat directly to the machine so you can get the exact cook you're looking for. You select the doneness right on the touchscreen. It's a bit difficult to disconnect when my cook finishes, but I've gotten the hang of it.
Every Brava comes with a glass and extremely non-stick metal tray. Brava sent over some other trays which are sold in bundles and separately. You've got this amazing non-stick egg tray. I've been making my eggs in here. They come out so cute for my breakfast sandwiches. Then you've got the muffin tray. So this does only have 6 muffins, whereas I think other ones normally have 12, so you're kind of working with less space. I've already cooked some gluten-free blueberry muffins in these that I used the bake feature for, and they fell right out when I flipped over the pan. You've got one of these square pans and a loaf pan, and then there is the Brava Chef's Pan. It's a great serving tray. There are slow cook abilities on the Brava, and there are a bunch of really cool recipes you can use this for. Okay, now let's check out this Brava. On the touchscreen is where you have access to all your controls and recipes. Let's check this out. So here on Cook, you've got a whole list of recipes to try out. First up here, there's new items. Every Tuesday, there's new recipes coming out. I get so excited when I get to my Brava and I see on the screen there's been an update. Then recents. So this is where all of my recent cooks are. As you can see, I made some breakfast this morning, some turkey bacon. Then on favorites, this is where if I add a heart to anything, it will go to my favorites page. I really wish that it organized them by different food types because sometimes it can get a little overwhelming with this long list of favorites and everything's mixed in. So I hope that they introduce that in the future. The search feature is really, really powerful. So as you can see, you've got all different recipe types, dietary preferences. I've been using the keto function a lot for my diet lately. And then you've got all the ingredient types. So look, I can add in keto, and then I can go back to the filter on the top corner, and then I can say, you know what, I want keto and I also want to make chicken. And then there you go. It gives me a whole list of everything that fits that description. I can add, that's a meal for 2. I can make it a meal for 4 with 2 trays. With the toast, I really like this because I can choose the level of what toast I want. Next, we've got bake, and this thing can preheat so quickly. You can cook without preheat. I prefer to use the rapid preheat, and it reaches its preheat in about like 5 minutes. On here, you've also got reheat. This is really great if you have French fries from yesterday or Brussels sprouts and you just want to get a crisp reheat. This will do that for you, and it will explain which food type is recommended for each time. Flip to the next screen, you've got air frying, dehydrating, slow cooking, keep warm. It'll keep it at 170 degrees. One of my favorite things to make on here are these Parmesan Crisps. These are so good and so easy to make. It takes about 4 minutes. All you gotta do is take some Parmesan cheese. They recommend that you grate it fresh, but I actually found a bag of cheese that works perfectly. I highly recommend putting some garlic salt and rosemary on it as well. All of the recipes and search functions are also on the app, so I can search and find new recipes to cook while I'm away from the kitchen or even shopping at the grocery store. I can also browse recipes logged into my account on their website for a much larger screen. And while I'm there, I can visit the Brava community Facebook group where users share their tips and custom cooks. Custom cooks can be created by any Brava user to allow others to replicate their recipe. You can find these custom cooks with a code or by searching. I made these baked oats and they were delightful. Thanks, Anna. Custom cooks come in handy if your cook needs more time than a pre-programmed recipe. Using the touch-up feature, you can choose which areas of the tray need more cooking time. I created a custom cook for my grilled cheese using the pre-programmed recipe and adding 2 more minutes. Brava can send a notification to my phone and Apple Watch when I begin a cook and when the cook's finished. The best part is I can monitor the cook at any time right from the app, and I can even pause it. The recipe program and cloud functions are part of the Brava Plus membership. Everyone who buys a Brava gets this service included for 2 years, but it's not yet clear what will happen after those 2 years or how much it will cost. Cleaning the Brava can sometimes feel a bit tedious. After almost every use, and especially greasy foods, Brava says to use a damp cloth to wash the inside while avoiding the lights. The lights clean themselves each time you use it, so don't worry about them. Brava also recommends a deep clean every 3 months. They have a video on their YouTube channel explaining the process. The Brava oven has truly changed the game for cooking, and is an experience I keep coming back to. The more I use the Brava, the more I feel comfortable experimenting. And using Brava's substitution list, I can easily swap out different meats and vegetables while still using their recipes. I can absolutely justify this purchase. All your friends are gonna go Brava, Brava for every meal you cook. Sorry, I had to. The Brava starts at $10.95, and they also offer a financing option with no interest for 2 years. The red and black ones will cost you an extra $200, which is kind of a bummer. There are still so many things I want to try out on this thing, from spatchcock chicken to fruit roll-up, so if you want to see more of that, let me know down in the comments. Let's get Brava to sponsor some fun videos, and that reminds me, we've got a Brava giveaway. Head over to my Instagram to find out how to win your very own Brava starter kit, and as always, make sure you guys like, subscribe to the channel, click that bell for alerts. I'm Brava Chef Justin, and I'll tech you later.